Hello everyone, my name is Ivona. I'm taking chemistry as one of my prereq courses for nursing. I got accepted to nursing school and I'm gonna start this June, so I'm really excited about that. I took chemistry before, but since it's been a long time, almost 10 years, no, yes, 10 years, I have to repeat the course to get the qualifications for my nursing school. I'm also taking pathophysiology right now, so sometimes it's just challenging to take those courses at once since it's a short 8 weeks course and the workload is pretty intense. For the past 15 years, I've been working in the medical field. I used to work as a medical assistant in the pediatrician office, and later on I was working as a patient care technician in the hospital. I was usually working with the stroke patients. I've learned a lot. I have learned a lot through the hospital work. You can see a lot of different things. You can learn a lot of different things, and they're very useful if you want to continue your career in medical field. So if you're planning to enter any of the medical field position, I recommend to do some work before. A little bit about myself. I was born and raised in Poland, so I came to US when I was 16. Then I started my family later, not at 16. I started my family. As of right now, I have a 10-year-old son. His name is Maximilian. We have a dog, golden retriever. He's almost 14. What else? I always wanted to pursue nursing. It was always my dream. It just took me a pretty long time to finish all my classes and to complete my bachelor's. I just graduated with the bachelor's in health studies last May. So it took me a while, but hopefully I'll be able to finish my school and become a nurse and start working. I wish you guys good luck in the chemistry course, as well as probably any other courses that you're gonna take in the future or you're taking right now. And also good luck in your future careers, whatever it might be. Enjoy the course, and thank you. See you later.